Drinking lemon water can have several potential health benefits thanks to the combination of water and lemon juice. Here are some of the effects it may have on your body. 1. Hydration. Lemon water provides hydration, which is essential for overall health. Proper hydration supports various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. 2. Vitamin C boost. Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting properties. Drinking lemon water can help increase your intake of vitamin C, which may support immune function and protect against illnesses. 3. Improved digestion. Lemon water may help stimulate the production of stomach acid and bile, which can aid in digestion. It may also help relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating and heartburn. 4. Alkalizing effect. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body when metabolized. Some people believe that maintaining a slightly alkaline pH balance in the body can support overall health and reduce the risk of certain diseases. 5. Detoxification. Lemon water is sometimes promoted as a detoxifying drink that can help cleanse the body of toxins. While there is limited scientific evidence to support this claim, staying hydrated and consuming nutrient-rich foods can support the body's natural detoxification processes. 6. Skin health. Vitamin C in lemon water may help promote collagen production, which is important for maintaining healthy skin. Some people believe that drinking lemon water can help improve skin appearance and reduce the risk of acne and other skin issues. 7. Weight management. Some research suggests that drinking water, including lemon water, before meals may help promote feelings of fullness and reduce calorie intake, which could support weight management efforts. It's important to note that while lemon water can be a healthy addition to your diet, it should not replace other important components of a balanced diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein sources. Additionally, some people may experience side effects from drinking lemon water, such as tooth erosion or digestive discomfort, especially if consumed in excess. As with any dietary change, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. Steer clear of any claim that one food or drink can help you lose weight. No credible studies exist to date to support the notion that drinking lemon water aids weight loss. However, studies do show that drinking water might help you lose weight. Are there benefits of drinking lemon water for your skin? Both lemons and water can improve your skin, but you don't have to consume them together to see the benefits. Lemons, like other citrus fruits, are high in vitamin C, which is essential for the production of collagen. Collagen is responsible for the elasticity and strength of the skin. According to research, like the 2020 study in ACS Omega, vitamin C is also a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals present in the skin that build up from air pollution and ultraviolet radiation. According to the USDA, the juice of one whole lemon delivers 21% of the daily value for vitamin C, but one wedge offers just 2.5% of the daily suggested intake. Compare that to 1 cup of sliced strawberries, which delivers 100% of the daily value for vitamin C, per the USDA, which is 90 milligrams. The body is a well-oiled machine when it comes to regulating pH and is always working to maintain homeostasis. While consuming foods that are more basic, alkaline, or acidic may temporarily change urine pH, there is no impact on blood pH. It's important to note that a so-called alkalizing diet may be healthy simply because of its emphasis on nutrient-dense whole foods, not because it alters body chemistry. The acid in lemons may be a problem for teeth. Lemons contain citric acid, and too much acid can wear away tooth enamel. If you regularly consume lemon water, consider drinking it with a straw. For some people, consuming an acidic beverage on an empty stomach first thing in the morning may lead to GI discomfort. Otherwise, drinking a glass of lemon water does not pose any major risks. The benefits of lemon water have been blown out of proportion, but there are little to no risks in drinking it, aside from possibly wearing away tooth enamel. If you like starting the day with lemon water, go for it. It's a great way to stay hydrated if you don't like the taste of plain water. Just don't expect any magical changes in your weight, skin, or body chemistry. The idea that lemon water has an alkalizing effect on our bodies is a total myth, says Konechny. The foods that we eat don't have the capacity to alter the pH of our blood, and our kidneys make sure of that.